Hi guys, this is a quick overview of a new keycap set that I got. This is the ASA black and pink set from the company AKKO. They are double shot injection PVT keycaps. So let's take a look. It has a nice thick cover sleeve. The keycaps come in this nice sturdy plastic box closed tight with magnetic fixtures. The keycap puller is included in the box to pull the keycaps out. You have your F row, number row, alpha keys and modifier keys, and 6.25U and 7U space bars. It comes with a total of 158 keys, which can fill out most of your typical layouts from full size and under with some accent colors. Here is my black Tokyo 60 with the keycaps on. It's black and gray with contrasting pink text working as an accent color. I really like this color combo. What do you guys think? ASA is AKKO's own proprietary profile. ASA just means AKKO SA. They are much shorter in height compared to SA keys and slightly taller than OEMs. Upon closer examination, I noticed a few thickness inconsistencies in the legends and found a few keycaps that are missing small pieces of plastic around the stems. This didn't hinder their function, but I still think they should address it in their future products. Here's my ID80 with the keycaps. I think it goes well with a silver case too. By the way, these PVT keycaps feel really nice to the touch. They have a very subtle texture that feels nice and smooth. After feeling GMK and AKKO keycaps back to back, AKKO's PVT feels like plastic used in premium car interiors, which feels smooth and dense. Meanwhile, GMK's ABS keycaps feel like plastic from budget cars. What? But I still love my GMK sets. Now that I put some accent color ones in the mix, the alpha keys remind me of SA Bliss and the mods and accent colors look like they're from GMK Olivia. In conclusion, for less than half the price of some GMK base sets and without endless months of group buy wait times, I think it's definitely worth the purchase. I have a new keyboard review coming up soon with this keycap set, so see you guys soon. Bye!